Ben is an England fan, and like many boys and girls his age, he's mad about football, about the World Cup, and about his favourite player, Harry Kane. For the last few weeks, he's been having cancer treatment at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital in Birmingham. And after his course of radiotherapy ended yesterday, staff decided Ben had been so brave they were going to present him with his own trophy to take home.
Shall I help you? Because it's very heavy.
A trophy almost the size of Ben himself.
Do you know what that is?
What
Ben?
is that?
That's the World Cup.
Sat in the back of the car coming back from the hospital one day, Ben just kind of came out with that he wanted the World Cup. No, you know, a 5-year-old kind of saying that most people might forget, but the fact that they remembered that and that they went to the trouble of presenting it with him.
I think that just demonstrates how personal it is with them. You know, you feel like
he's not just a number.
He's not just a number. No, they genuinely care about him and were there behind him the whole way.
Yeah.
But that's not all. The 5-year-old from Kings Norton was so thrilled with his replica World Cup, his radiographer decided to share the film online. And even though Ben's hero was preparing for the quarter-final, he replied, "I've seen your video and you're an inspiration. Carry on fighting and we'll do everything we can on Saturday to keep a smile on your face."
Famous person after famous person, Rio Ferdinand, Robbie Fowler, and when we saw the message from Harry Kane, that's what this had all been about, just to kind of get Ben's favourite player to give him a shout out, to say, you know, how well Harry Kane thinks that Ben's done.
And it was a message England's centre forward was happy to repeat in person today.
Every now and then someone will come along that will catch our eye, and the little lad was an inspiration, so I was happy to tweet him back, and hopefully that will put a smile on his face, as will going further in the tournament.
It has put a smile on Ben's face at a time that's been so difficult for him and for his parents. But Ben himself has a message for all the players trying to make their country's dreams come true.
Come on, England.
Do it for Ben, do it for us all, and don't come home until you've lifted a trophy like his. Damon Green, ITV News in Birmingham.